You're welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let us solve this simple quadratic equation. All right, we're asked to find alpha over beta plus beta over alpha from 3x squared minus 15x minus 6 equal to 0 if alpha and beta are the root of the equations. All right, remember we have sum and product rules. We have sum and product, conditions for finding the root of quadratic equation. So from here, I'm going to say that, remember, alpha plus beta has been given to be minus b over a. Now, from this equation, we say that a is 3 and b is minus 15 and c is minus 6. But the sum of any root of quadratic equation is given as minus b over a. Therefore, sum is going to give me 15 over 3, which is 3, which is 5, which is 5. So this is 5. All right. Now I've gotten my sum. What should be the product? Because anytime you are given this kind of quadratic equation, your idea is to find the sum and the product. So let me find the product. The product is alpha beta, and alpha beta is always given as c over a. Now alpha beta is going to be, what is c? C is minus 6. A is 3, which is going to be minus 2. I think somebody must have asked, why is this place not minus 15? But because 15 is already minus, but the equation is having minus itself. So minus minus, we cancel out to be plus. So that is why that 15 does not have negative sign. So I've gotten my the sum and I've gotten the product. So let's go back. So in terms of alpha over beta plus beta over alpha, you need to simplify it. LCM is going to be alpha beta, and this is going to be alpha square plus, and this is going to be beta square. Therefore, I have a problem, because in this case I have alpha square plus beta square all over. This is the product. From what I did, the product is minus 2. So this place is minus 2. But hell, the problem is that I don't know the sum. Somebody say, but he's find the sum. What I found was alpha plus beta. My problem is that I don't know how they became square. So I have to find them. Finding them means I'm going to open this, but I will square both sides. If I square this to get alpha square plus 2 alpha beta, then plus beta square. So what I will do is make alpha and beta to be here. So I will say that alpha square plus beta square is going to be equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So the answer for the square, alpha square plus beta square, is going to be alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Now we know the sum. The sum is already found to be 5. Yes, sum is 5. So I will go in here and put 5 squared minus 2 times product. This is product. The product is what? The product is minus 2. So this is going to be 25 plus 4, which is 29. Therefore, alpha squared plus beta squared divided by alpha beta is going to be equal to 29 all over minus 2. So that is the answer for our question here. Thank you for being part of this class. Please just hit the subscribe button and share the video. All right? Have a nice time.